Have you noticed the attractive mannequin placed at the entrance of a clothing brand store? The lights, the colors, and how things are placed, they're decided by someone. What sizes, what designs, what colors are to be procured, they are also decided by some professionals. This is one of the job profiles that you will get after graduating from NIFT MFM. Now, the question is, what is Masters in Fashion Management? What is the scope of this course, and is it worth taking admission in this course? Well, these are some of the questions that students seek for when they are applying for MFM. But it is really hard to understand what to expect from this course and why one should apply. Hi, I am Neha, and today in this video, I am going to talk about beyond the jargons and selection process and try to give you some honest insights about this course. Before we start, let me make this very clear that MFM is not fashion design. It will not launch you as a fashion designer in the market. But it does not mean that you cannot start your own label. Masters in Fashion Management sounds like a management course with an inclination towards fashion brands. But the actual case is quite opposite. If you ask an MFM graduate, she will tell you that this course is more on buying and merchandising and less on management part. Please remember that NIFT is a design school. Its expertise lies in fashion brands, design, and visual appearance. And this degree is not an equivalent of an MBA degree. To understand this better, let's look at some future prospects as an MFM graduate. Now, the term buying, which you must have come across many times reading about MFM, is one of the most important roles in the retail consumer sector. It is the buyer who decide what products the company is going to sell and from where it is going to be sourced. Merchandiser. Merchandiser decide how the products will be displayed and packaged. This can include a display in retail outlets or apps. You can work as a buyer and merchandiser for both e-commerce companies and brick-and-mortar stores. Apart from this, you may also end up working in a marketing team of some fashion brand. There are more opportunities for an MFM graduate, and you can read about it on the NIFT website. The link for the same is given in the description below. Now the question is, who will get this job and how much will you be paid for it? Well, the fact is there are two conditions. You have a bachelor in design or some apparel or fashion related course or experience in fashion or apparel sector. You see, the companies are looking for graduates who understand business and take decisions accordingly. I know. The next question popping up would be, then why does the eligibility criteria for MFM say open for any graduate? Well, for that we have a second condition. You need to maintain an excellent CGPA. Good and bright students are always rewarded, and MFM is not different. So even if you are from a different background altogether, you can still opt for this course. But do remember, you're not going to get a job on the tag of NIFT. You have to maintain a good CGPA in MFM. Now let's come to the salary part. The average package may range from 6 to 8 lakhs per annum. But in some conditions, it may also go up to 11 to 15 lakhs per annum. But it depends on a few things like the previous experience, CGPA, internship, and the graduation projects that a student undertakes in the last semester. Now, there's a question floating around the internet about this course. Is it worth doing MFM from NIFT? Well, this is a very subjective question, and it totally depends on the kind of examples you take for this question. While on one hand, there are some professionals like some VPs, managing directors, founders of big brands who are MFM graduates. While on the other hand, on some NIFT centers, there are MFM graduates who are still struggling to get placed. So there are a lot of reasons you have to keep in mind before evaluating this condition. The condition of economy, the pandemic, the condition of textile sector, and ease of starting a retail brand in the country. These are some factors on which it depends whether an MFM graduate would be absorbed in the industry or not. Another factor is the quality maintained by NIFT itself. In the last few years, students avoid to get into centers other than Delhi or Bangalore. And I think NIFT should do something about it. Overall, if you look at the broader picture, you don't get a very high salary at the entry level as compared to the other management programs. This is because the fashion industry demands experience and expertise. With time, you will get a good hike and will be retained in the industry because the people at the top position are from NIF themselves. Now this brings us to our next question. Who should apply in this course and what to expect from it? If you have done graduation in this sector and want to continue in the fashion or the apparel industry, you should take up this course. If you are passionate about fashion and ambitious about opening your own brand in the future, you should think about it. Please keep in mind that it is not the course that will make you successful. It is the learning process and how quickly you adjust to the demands of the industry. Do not expect an overnight increase in the salary package at the entry level of MFM, but with experience, you will reach a better place as compared to other management programs. So that was it on MFM for today. If you have any more questions, please put them in the comment section below. Read more about the course details. And if you are preparing for MFM, do not forget to check out our preparation program on our website. In the next video of the series, we are going to talk about another design related course in the country.